Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the product from Lamicall or Lamicall, and this is the BCC-B02, a bike frame bag, and it says protect your belongings while cycling. Quick release structures design, 1.3 liter large capacity storage, operate with one hand, and TPU material. So let's same on the other side. Let's see what we get. So that's how it looks like. It's nice size. You can see it's waterproof. Water won't go through there. That's the mechanism that you lock in. And it has this nice thing for maybe light and sun, so you won't stay in your way. Really nice zipper. You open it, that's where you put your phone, and then you lock it in place with that. You even have a rain cover. Storage area. And this has also like a mesh to prevent water from getting in. So not too sure what's that unless you put it in here. Let's see. Anti-slip silicone. So yeah, where would you put that? Yeah, so you put it in there, like I said. Okay, so let's grab a phone. So you put the phone in. Like so. And then lock it in place. Obviously you can adjust it to be down, up. It still works the touch, so that's good. So that's where you use your phone. And then in there you just store stuff that you may need to take with you. And that's how this works. So you just imagine this is on your handlebar or frame, because it's plenty of space in here. And then you just you have to have it like this on your frame. So you come with this and you lock it in place. Boom. And that's not going anywhere from there unless something happens with it. But when you want to unlock it, I guess you just use force. Obviously it's a bit harder now because it's not obviously it's not on a frame. Wow, that locks in place. I actually don't know how you remove it. Is there any trick? So as you can see, you lock it on the frame, but how do you remove it, because it's so tight? Okay, so to remove it you use a bit of force. I guess the idea is don't remove it very often, because I can see it's damaging a bit the plastic in there. So then this is something you have to, if you wanna make it wider, you just have to turn this clockwise, and then this one should go inside like so. Really thick rubber that will definitely protect your frame or your handlebar. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. A really nice device. You can store in there, you know, like your bike stuff, you know, like if you have some tools or money, wallet, and other stuff that you may want to take with you. This touchscreen works, as you can see. So great. Thank you for watching.